Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the authentic, the real, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, or people who complain about what I spend and who have no idea what I spend money on. How? Most of the purchases I made were paid for in cash, except the iPhone that's coming and the accessories, because I don't have $300 just lying around like I'm JP Morgan. Okay, and my internet went down, which is why I'm up at the ungodly hour of 5:15 in the morning. It's something like 46 degrees. No, it's 55 degrees here. 35 in Pittsburgh and 40 in Boston. Okay, this is Coin Roll Hunting. And sadly, one of my favorite mugs sent to me by Spoof, because the quarters were in the way of the mouse pad, it did not have enough room to support it on the table. It fell over and broke the handle in 6 places. So there goes my coffee mug. I really like that coffee mug. So I have to wait for the stuff to come. Then I have to go to AT&T. There's a problem with my internet. Then I have to go to Boost Mobile talking about the new phone. Then I have to go back to Grocery Outlet to get cat litter and the tomatoes I forgot. So I made 2 payments on 2 credit cards yesterday, and Monday I'll meet Patty and get the last money for that, and make payments on Capital One and Target and Valero. So I am slowly paying my debt, and all debt as of Monday once I send that payment off to Valero and pay Capital One and Target will be current. I'm not behind with anybody. It took a long time to get that far, given that Bank of America screwed me last August and ruined my credit, and then I got COVID. So I'm negative and well. All right, let's see what's in the rolls. I opened up the first one while I was talking. I desperately need to clear off that chair this weekend and do laundry. I did scrub the kitchen floor and the hallway, and of course, immediately when I mopped the kitchen floor, Mama Cat ran into the kitchen, and little girl cat ran up the hallway. Couldn't believe it. So, and last night, Mama Cat was not nice. Little girl cat was munching on her crunchies on the bed, and Mama Cat jumped up on the bed, which she's only done a couple of times in the past for just jumping on the bed. The minute I reached to pet her, she runs away. She pushed little girl all the way and started eating her crunchies. I said, Mama Cat, that's not nice. You'll get crunchies. I got 2 bins of Friskies yesterday. So, okay, here's the first quarters. There is nothing. I'm looking for silver. I've yet to find any. I don't think I ever will, but this is a way for me to just look through the rolls. And, wait a minute. What is this? It dropped some on the floor here. Looking for something. Look, I'm seeing something that might be silvery. I'm not sure. No. This one here looks different than the other ones. Maybe it's newer. Yeah, it's newer. Nothing there. Sure looked shiny, but nothing there. That's the first roll. I dropped a quarter on the floor. And then, here's my device here. My cup fell on the floor with all my pens and scissors and box cutters and all that. I have to be very careful. This scissors are very sharp. I'm going to open up the second one. I do not want to stab myself with a scissor. Okay, I'm opening this mostly because I need to do laundry this weekend. So, but one day I might get lucky and find a silver quarter. I see all these guys on YouTube saying they get boxes of pennies and they find rare pennies and boxes of dimes and nickels, and I don't know where they're getting boxes. I've talked to the credit union. They said they can't even get a box of quarters, an entire box from the Fed. So where these guys are getting them, I don't know. I think they're salting them, to be honest with you. I think they're faking it. Okay, here's the second batch, $20 here. And nothing there. Yep, once again, I don't think These are all copper clad. Some of them, though, if they're newer, the edges look silver, which is very weird. They look very shiny. I guess the new ones look real shiny. I might have found one here. Hold on. I think they stopped doing the silver in 68 or 70. I know the Kennedys go up to 70. I might have found one. Just found a 69. I think it's a 69. Nothing here. I've done over $1,000 in quarters. Nothing here. Let's see if this thing is. Turn on the giant light, which is weird and doesn't want to turn on. Damn. 69 is copper clad. So they must have stopped this earlier than 69. I was hoping. Because at first it looked like silver. So now I know that 69 and beyond are not silver. I think some of the Eisenhower bicentennials, I think, were silver, but they were improved sets or something for the mint. All right. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. More stuff is coming today, Monday, and next week for unboxing. Have a great day. Stay warm, stay dry, stay safe, and watch your coins in your pocket. Bye-bye for now, and I'll catch you next time. This has been Coin Roll Hunting from the guy from Pittsburgh. See you later.